everyone, I'm Wayward K, and today I'm going to show you how to do this isolation versus vertical linear isolation walk around trick. I am holding my red hoop with my right hand. While I do this trick, my hands will stay together the entire time. I begin by holding both hoops on the right side of the hoop with my thumbs up. I slide my left silver hoop behind my right red hoop. I start by isolating along the top half of the red hoop as I push the left silver hoop up to the top position of the nice square grid in a nice vertical linear isolation. At this point, I will continue the isolation along the top half of my red hoop as I bring my left silver hoop back down in a vertical linear isolation so that it comes in front of my red hoop. At this time, I also step clockwise so that I'm at the side of my hoops. Now, as I step in front of my hoops, I will begin to isolate along the bottom half of the red hoop as I push my silver hoop down to the bottom position of the 9 square grid. As I take one last step to the starting position, I will continue the isolation along the bottom half of the red hoop and bring my silver hoop back into the middle. Now that you are back at the starting position, you can choose to repeat the trick in the same direction, or you can decide to walk around your hoops in the other way. Anyway, thanks for watching my tutorial, and remember you can find all of my tutorials on YouTube and Instagram. Happy hooping!